Students, I am going to discuss a problem of collision. Problem is two identical balls in contact on a table are in equilibrium. A third ball collides them simultaneously symmetrically and remains at rest after impact. Calculate coefficient of restitution between the balls. So here are the two balls initially at rest, and suppose the third ball collide them with velocity u. Okay, the situation at the instant of collision is shown in the figure here. So when the balls are in contact, their center makes an equilateral triangle. Okay, so this angle is, whole angle is 60, so this will be 30 and this is also 30. Okay, and after collision it gets stops, and these two are being symmetrical collisions, so each will go with a speed v. Okay, now we can get the coefficient of restitution either between these two or between these two. It will be same. Now here, this is the line of collision, line of impact or line of collision. Okay, now using conservation of momentum in this direction, that is the x direction, using conservation of linear momentum along x-axis. We have here the momentum of this ball initially it is angular, and these two initially at rest, so there will be 0 plus 0, and after collision it stops, so its momentum 0 plus the momentum of this along this x-axis and also this, so it will be 2mv. Here the v is the speed of each one after collision, cos 30. So u is equal to 2 into v root 3 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, so it will be root 3v. Okay, now using the equation of coefficient of restitution, using E is equal to minus v1 minus v2 upon u1 minus u2. Here the velocities are in the line of impact or line of collision. Okay, so we can write here the velocity of the first disc, that means first ball before collision in this direction, because it is u, so in this line it will be u cos 30, so u cos 30, and second one initially at rest, so it is 0, and after collision it stops, so it's 0, that's v1, and minus v2, that velocity in the same line, that means the line of collision is v. Okay, so it will be v upon u cos 30. Okay, now substituting the value of u from this equation, that is equal to root 3, and substituting the value of cos 30 is also root 3 by 2, so it will be 2 by 3. Okay, thanks for watching the video.